Hello everyone, we're here in Santa Fe, New Mexico at the La Fonda Hotel, La Fonda Inn. We're in room 634 and we're going to take a hotel room tour right now. So as we enter the room, you can see here is a closet area. This is the Deluxe 2-queen bedroom. And over here we have some art. Here's the information. Safe provided. And there's a map of the floor. Coffee maker here. Looks like it's an espresso. And then you also have a Sunbeam 1-cup hot water maker. Looks like there's an adjoining room over here. And over here we have a desk. Channel guide. Phone here. La Fonda on the Plaza. Some magazines down there. More seating over here. And then we have the 2 queen-size beds here. And we have a large flat screen TV. It's like it's a Samsung. There's a balcony also outside. Another mirror here. I think another adjoining room. And here's the bathroom. You can see it has a tile everywhere, even on the countertop. There's a tub here and then the separate shower. Even though it is pretty dark in the shower, you can see there's a shelf to put your toiletries. And then over here we have the toilet. And I guess we have a bidet over here too. Here we have the toiletries, sink, large mirror, and there I am. And now let's go out to the balcony. It's pretty cold out here. It's about 0 degrees Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit. Looks like that's the Inn and Spa at Loretto. And there's the Loretto Chapel over there. Over here you can see it's a pretty large balcony. There's some ice here. And there's part of the plaza. Cathedral Drive, it looks like. And here's a look at the balcony in the day. And there's a look at the room from the outside. Here's a look at the beds. It looks like we have a Sony alarm clock system with iPod. It looks like an older iPod connector, a 30-pin. And with some power outlets here, and then 2 USB ports, lamp. Here's the entryway. It's pretty interesting starlight. And here's the closet. With the in-room safe. And a bathroom. So I guess that's going to be pretty much it for the hotel room tour.